Oshé. Oh. Are we ready to do this? Man, I'm good. Welcome. Good evening, everyone. Good afternoon, good night, wherever you're watching me. God bless you guys, man. Welcome, guys. Welcome, man. For South African, you can kiss my ass. My hair black, my dick big, I don't need a tan. Hey, fuck your likes and the fleshy lights, I'ma fix my fan. Got a silence out on my pistol, I'm harsh poppy with no Instagram. Hey, listen, man, 2 minutes spraying off and they kick us out. Niggas fake as fuck, I can take your bitch out with no haircut. Say, wait, hold up, and I cut you, I'm fed up. Welcome, please. Just go ahead. Everyone should go ahead right now because 2020 Miss Africa Russia 2021 is here. So guys, these guys are doing amazing work, and I'm hosting one of their contestants, one of their, we go work on the red carpet. So just keep joining, my sister. If you are here, send me a request because we have 40 minutes to do this, So many concerns on me. So guys, what we are doing here today, Miss Africa Russia. Miss Africa Russia is here again. Africa Russia, an award night. So it's going down on the June 13th. Hold up. Look at who do we have here.
Hi,
welcome. Please, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Tell us your name and introduce yourself to the show.
Hello everyone. My name is Lorian. I'm a medical student at UPenn. One of the contestants from South Africa, Russia, and from Cameroon, and I live in Moscow.
Wow, you are actually from Cameroon. So yeah. Tell us a little bit about your country, about Africa, about your country.
Oh wow! And there's a lot to talk about my country, and I'm going to go for the main part. What identifies my country? Cameroon is a bilingual country. Like we speak English and French, which means I also speak French. Je parle aussi français, and English and French are two national languages, and we have 261 other languages like dialects.
261. Wow, languages.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's 261 languages in my country. Cameroon is Africa in miniature. Like almost everything you can think of in Africa is in Cameroon. One of the richest countries in Africa, Cameroon is among, like abundant vegetation. There's forests, a lot of food, plantain yams, everything you can think of is in Cameroon. Like there's wildlife, and so that is why it's called Africa in miniature. In fact, in the tropical rainforest of Cameroon, there are over 5,000 species of insects that are only found in my country, like in that forest, and are not found in any other place in the world.
Wow. Only all those things in one country, all those things you are mentioning in Cameroon.
In just my country.
Wow, amazing place you came from, my dear.
Thank you.
So, if you have given a chance to talk to your president,
whoa,
what is the thing you ask him to improve in the country? What is the thing you would like him to improve?
Like just one thing.
Okay.
Because for me, there is a lot to improve in the country. But I think um, what matters in every home, in every association, governance. If there is bad governance, nothing can work very well. And I believe in my country, we are suffering from bad government. I don't say bad leaders, but I would just say bad governance. Probably they don't know how to do the things they do, or they probably do right things at the wrong time, wrong things at the right time. So like everything just makes up. So I just think they should improve the leaders and the way they lead, constitution and everything. Like from there, like that's where everything starts. If there's a good governance, probably the education is improve, unemployment is going to reduce. I don't know. I don't know. Theft, robbery, every bad thing is going to reduce because everything starts with the government.
Okay. That was a very nice one. I hope your Mr. President will definitely hear this one day.
I hope so too.
He will definitely hear this. Don't worry, we pray so. And now you know why we are here. Miss
Yeah,
Africa in Russia and
yeah.
Award Night 2021. So what can you say about this brand? What can you say anytime you remember about this brand? What can you what always come to your mind?
Actually, for me, it's really, really exciting. Like, I am so excited to take part in this competition. I don't really know how to put it. Whenever I just think of the event, like I'm so happy. It makes me feel like there is so much more to me in particular. Like it makes me feel like I'm strong and things I'm doing right now are things I've never thought of doing before.
Okay.
Okay, Lorian, you've got to win this. I just feel like I'm gonna win. I don't know. I'm so confident. Anyways, I just hope to win though.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what do you want the audience, as in people that will always watch you, what do you want them to expect from you? What do you think they want them to expect from you? Because the way you sound very confident, you know this thing, I'm going for this award, this is mine, you know. What do
Anyway,
you think?
anybody who knows me knows I'm not perfect, but yes, I'm perfection. If I'm doing something, I always do it well. If I don't want to do, I don't do at all. Like that's me. So if I'm going in for this thing, I'm putting in my best. So anybody who is watching me, I don't know where you're from. If you're my friend, you're not my friend, you're my follower. Just know I'm definitely going to bring back the crown because just this head,
Wow.
that's all. So I
So
know I'm
so
confident.
how far you have gotten support from your Cameroon? You know, you say you are from Cameroon. How
Yeah.
far you have gotten the support? If do you have any do you have any message coming from your people? How they can support you and all those things? Have you have any message like that?
I don't. Since most of okay, like my friends from Cameroon, they think they can support me because they cannot be there, but they always ask me like, "Hey, Laurie, how is your competition going? Hope you're playing very well." And everybody is always like, "Hope you're playing very well. Hope you are learning how to catwalk." So I believe I have the support I need. They can't be here physically, but they text me, they ask me how I'm preparing. So that's enough for me.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
And in your mind, you believe they are showing you the love they can show.
yeah, I believe so. Because some parents, I'm from I don't say I'm from a family, but I'm from a family where we've never thought of something like this, like going for a beauty contest. It's so weird. Myself, 3 years ago, I never thought I could do something like. In fact, 2 years ago, I never thought I could do something like this. But here I am. So, and my parents never stopped me. Like they encouraged me. They're like, okay, you wanna do this? They're behind you. Like when I do my stuff, like they're like, why didn't you do this? You could have done like this. Like they really support me. They encourage me. So I think that's enough. Having parental support is the best thing I have, like they've got my back.
Wow. So how are you combining the two in your study? We know you're a student. So how are you combining this Miss Africa thing, with your education? How are you combining the two?
Actually, apart from schooling, I have a life.
Okay.
So everything is supposed to be balanced. And it's not like the competition takes more of my time all the time. Most of the time I go to school normally, I do my stuff. It's only like once in a while, some weekends that I'm busy. So that's not really a problem for me.
Okay. So
Every,
so so what message are you passing through here now? Because some parents will feel like, my daughter or my son is going for this. How can you focus on the education and all those? What message are you passing to the parents now? Because I would like you to pass a message to them so that.
I know my parents are not on this live, but I'm gonna record this part and keep for them. My cousins in France, like my cousins in France here. When I told them I was going for this, like they saw the pictures and they were like, Lorian, comment tu peux faire ça? Tu dois te concentrer. Okay, let me speak in English, sorry. They're like, Lorian, you can't do this. Like, you need to concentrate on your studies. It's going to distract you. Your goal is to become a doctor, blah, blah, blah. Like, those are my cousins talking, not my parents.
Okay.
If I'm alive and I choose what I want, not like I failed an exam, not like I failed. I'm going to school normally. And apart from going to school, I'm living my life. Some students work and I don't work. So I don't think going for a pageant is certainly going to be a distraction. So I just want to pass this message across to those who are parents and probably to future parents. The only
Okay.
thing is to support. Because if your child decides to do something and if your child is passionate about something, that's because she really thinks she can do it and she thinks she can cope. You could stop the child if that is affecting her negatively. But I don't see any way pageantry is affecting negatively. At some point, it brings more positive benefits to you. You could meet people you never thought you could meet. Like it makes you learn interact with a lot of people, and that is a plus to you.
Okay.
So I just believe parents should always encourage their children on their dreams. Probably it's normal to give them advice like, hey, my daughter, be careful. You know, this life is not the way we see, but don't tell them that, no, you're not going to do it. No, you won't do this. No. I don't think parents should do that. We should always encourage our parents, our children, because if you want to become an artist, you should do it. You could become an actor and still go to school. So why not become a model and still go to school?
Okay.
I know a lot of people, especially African parents, think modeling is kind of, I don't know, selling your body. I don't know, prostitution in a way. Yeah, yeah,
You
that's
think
very.
so?
I know a lot of people think that,
Go ahead.
but if you don't want to believe me, fine. But I'm an example, and nothing of that sort has happened to me. So.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, if they say now, Miss Africa, 2020, Miss African and
2020.
Award Night 2020, if they say you should rank them, what points are you giving them?
Okay. Actually, I love the organization. Like, I love everything. Like, I love the running, like the management. For me, everything is just fine. Like for me, everything is really just fine. Like working with them, you don't need to, like if you're a contestant, being serious, being focused. There's nothing stressful about it. Like they give us, I don't know, like they give us that according to our abilities. Like there's no stress, everything is low key. You don't need to stress your brain like, oh my god, I'm not done this. I need to know. So I think West Africa Russia is just the best for real. Like the
Oh, please can we
um,
get some accolades over there? Please can you
no,
put some fire, please? If you're on this live, can you put some fire, please? Because it's not easy, man. I give them accolades because it's not easy to put organization like this, you know.
yeah, it's not really easy to manage people. Like they are so at times, like I am a contestant and I have a mind of my own. At times when I see things that happen myself, I'm pissed. You know, like I'm really pissed. I'm like, why are these people really doing this? This is not supposed to be done that way, but they're so lenient, so like West Africa Russia, you are the best
Wow.
platform.
Wow. So, how do you think? Do you believe that this Miss Africa an award 2021 will bring a development in our industry that will make people to know more things about Africa? Do you think it will bring people together?
Of course I think so. I think so. Can I put it? Yeah, I know Miss Africa Russia hasn't been for long. It's like a 3 years project, and 3 or 4 years it's been alive. I think so, yeah, alive for like 3 or 4 years, and it's a matter of time. You know, we don't just wake up one morning like the fire starts sparking, like starts shining. But I believe with time we're gonna conquer. Like we're gonna go further. We're gonna have a larger audience. I don't know, have larger opportunities. Probably even the winners will get a lot from the Miss Africa Russia itself.
Okay. Okay. So just tell us the date, because I want them to hear it from you, so that let me just know that you're updated.
Yeah.
The date, yeah, just know the date, the event place,
Oh,
address.
the
You know,
venue, I know that venue. I can't. Oh my God, something. I don't
something. You don't know the venue?
know. Like since there was, I know the date, I know the time, but since there is still time, I'm not really bothered cramming the venue.
Okay.
But if you want, I could share the flyer with the.
I think you should know the venue, because in case of anyone is calling you to if I want to find out where is the venue, you need to, this is a digital world. You can always give your thing. I wish you luck. I wish you all the best. So before we go, what do you think if they ask you to tell Miss Africa Russia? What do you think you can tell them to improve? Maybe they what is the thing if you say my dear, ask them, this is the thing I want them to improve. What is the thing you tell them to put more in
Yeah,
their
I would
area
say
organization?
that should be um yeah, they should be much more strict. I believe right now they are so lenient, so like they should be much more strict. They should treat their like the contestants with so much firmness. That's what I think. I think they are so soft, strict that they should be, like nothing comes easy. And probably having a trip to Dubai doesn't come easy too. So I believe they should treat the girls harder. And I believe in principles. Like I believe in so much discipline. So that's what I.
Wow. Hmm. My sister from Cameroon. I will make sure I will give you guys support. This is is not one person thing. I need to support everybody. As I'm giving you support, I'm going to give everyone support. I wish you luck. I believe we all wish you luck, Miss Africa, Russia, and award night. Wish you all the best. So before you go, just hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
Hold up. Actually, my best part of that song is Elo Cheese part. The Igbo part, I love it.
Oh, why do you love that Igbo part? Why do you love the
I
Igbo part?
like the way he's rapping it Igbo. Oh my God, it's so nice and sexy.
So nice and sexy.
Yes.
Are you trying to shoot a shot on Elochi?
No, Elochi is my friend. Nothing like that. It's just like I like the way he was singing. Like even though I don't understand what it means, but I can't even sing. I don't know, but I really like it.
Just wait, my plan.
I bet that to be.
So you say that place is so sexy.
That's my best part of the song. What does it even mean? What is he singing? What does it mean?
You say how much you get will make you the show off. You say shut up before I will use my hanky and clean your makeup.
Ah,
You know.
I didn't ask him. Like, anyways, thank you. That's what the transition done to me.
Wow, it's been a one time. So I want you to tell the people how to vote you, or how to support you, or where they should follow you, or how to follow Miss Africa to give them support. They need everyone to support them, because that's why we are giving them the support, because I love what they are doing, and I would like everyone that is in Russia, here in Moscow, to give them support, share their flyer as much as they can do, give them the support, because this Miss Africa Award and 2021 is not an easy program. He
Yeah.
needs everyone to support them. So give them the updates, please.
Okay, guys. Let me mention again. The event is gonna take place on the 13th, Sunday, the 13th of June at 4 p.m. So sorry, I don't know the location offhand. I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna check it later. And if you want to follow me, my Instagram handle is Gemdep Lorian. I use my real names on social media. you can follow Miss Africa Russia on Instagram. At Miss Africa Russia. And also for the event, the flyers are already out. You could get your tickets. We have tickets for 1,000 ruble. We have VVIP. I don't know. Say,
VIP 3,000 ruble, 5,000 ruble.
and we have VVIP for 50,000 ruble, like for a group of people. You could contact for your ticket. Contact Donzubi, Africa Russia, and like I said, the event is on Sunday on a public holiday, so there is no expect for everybody in Russia. In fact, book your flight. If you're in Catherine, book better come because you don't want to miss it. Like you don't really
If you
want.
miss them,
If you miss an, are you lost? So my brother, I think soap.
you want me
Soap.
if they miss and then lost, so
Lost,
if you don't want loss, don't miss this show, please. You will not lost, but come to the show, okay? And you guys are going to do a lot of things. We have so many awards to give out.
Talents. I don't know. Probably some girls are going to sing, dance, arts. So much, like so much time is going to be flowing that day. So you really need to come and entertain yourself.
Wow.
I know nothing, 3K is nothing. And in fact, I know the big boys can even buy even a table for you. So please just come and support us. We really need you there.
I will tell you. So how many contests are you? How many numbers?
You're 20 of us.
Wow. This is a huge project. 20 contestants. Huh.
And I'm gonna win. Woo. I've got so much guts.
Man, just believe, my sister. 20 contestants is not easy, and you still believe that you are gonna win. Yeah. So I wish you all the best. I pray for you as I pray for others as well. Okay.
Thank you, Donzubi.
God bless you, and have a wonderful night. Enjoy your evening. Bye bye. So, guys, it is what it is. Okay, please. I'll be bringing them one after the other to talk to them, chat with them, ask them what they feel about Miss Africa, Russia, and Award Night 2021. Please, guys, I need you guys to support this project. Support the project. The ticket is at 1,000 ruble, 3,000 ruble, 5,000 ruble, and the table is at as well. They have VIP 50,000, 40, you know. Just the one you can afford. Just come to the event July 13, okay? July 13. Please support this project and God will bless you. God will bless you. I am signing out. See you guys some other time. Peace. Miss African, Russia, and Award Night. We love you from Donzubi Entertainment. Boga.